This is one of the biggest market in this region. Cannot get any fresher than this. In the port. Uy. Masarap, di ba? Good morning. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. This is so early. I'm not functioning yet, but we're going to Batangas and we're doing land travel. That's why I need to wake up very early. But most importantly, I'm also going to make the snack for our trip, which is bagel. But the bagel has an interesting story because it is made by political prisoners here. Let's cook with me. 2 bagels. So these 2 bagels are made from the prison here in the Philippines. We're supporting them because it's difficult for them to sustain their living, their family from the prison. It looks good though. We also bought a sourdough loaf from them too that we're gonna snack on the way. So my line of work is on human rights. That's why this issue on political prisoners is very close to me. And I would love to support them as much as possible, especially if they're selling foods. So we're gonna slather some butter on the bagel and then we will put them on the pan. Free all political prisoner. We got them nice and toasty right now. So we got brie cheese, we got cream cheese, and then maybe we'll get some strawberry jam. Do you hear their crust? Putting the strawberry jam. Uy. Whoop. Looks very yummy actually. Put brie cheese on top of everything. I'm just going to. Whoop. There you go. This looks pretty hefty. I'm quite proud of it. One is makiling.
Oh my god, ito ignoring them. Super cute.
It's still
diba
bright.
yung CR namin gano'n? Tapos,
I like it.
Sabi ko,
Chewy, toasted, it's smoky.
hindi daw pa yan.
The brie is better now because the brie has already melted. It's good, no?
I like it. I like the bread. I hope the sourdough is like that also, but I doubt.
Napaya talaga ako. Tapos siya pa yung may
Yeah.
ano na.
Park,
It's good.
sasakyan.
It's quite mouthful.
Sama ko ulit si Mima.
And I think it's gonna fill me up. Wait, so Balayan Market is the biggest in
In this area,
In
Batangas? Is it already in Batangas
What?
right now? Are
No,
we
we're
in?
not yet.
No, we're not yet in Batangas.
We're
still in Cavite.
Laguna? Is this Laguna?
Cavite.
Cavite.
Oh, I can smell the fish.
Yeah, that's true. We can smell the fish. This is one of the biggest market in this region. We're gonna get some ingredients for us to eat for the next few days because probably we're gonna cook in Batangas. I'm gonna make bakwan as I told you, so we're gonna get the things here too. Wow, it's very lively.
Magkano sa ito? We need the cook one, no? The cook one mais. Or we need someone to...
Dapat magkahiwala yung
Carrot.
Or ikaw.
yung gulay mo.
So this is the wet market part. This is the meat part.
Alyan po ibabarbecue.
That's so fresh. Cannot get any fresher than this. Oh, that's pork.
This is pork. No. Wala. Pork belly. Pang adobo na belly. Yan, okay na yan. Meron naman tayong veggie dish, di ba? Ang veggie dish natin, vegan na yun. Dapat.
Vanessa? You were mentioning that one expensive fish. What is it called again?
Pampam.
Pampano? Oh,
By the tilapia.
wow. They're moving.
We will grill the tilapia.
This one?
Yeah.
This is tilapia?
Yeah.
Maliit at 1 kilo. Yan, kasarapan niya, pang-ihaw. Pang-ihaw yan. Pang-ihaw.
You get... What is the name again?
Siniguelas.
Siniguelas? What does it taste like? Apple? Plum? Salamat po. So we almost got everything. I got with me some veggies for bakwan, and then also the meat over here. We also got isda, which is fish. But we're still looking for our flour, vegetable oil, and some other things. Right across the market is a nice church. It's pretty. So pretty. What is this again? Glutinous rice with mung bean?
Mung beans inside.
Having a snack. A little bit of a snack. Wee.
Ayaw kong bumili. Pwede nga. Hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya maganda tignan, pero masarap. Doesn't look nice.
It's good. It's like caramelized on the outside. Do they put sugar? Do they?
Yeah, I think so.
Outer layer is crispy, caramelized sugar, and then the inside is mung bean, which is like nutty. This is good. This is like pisang goreng po.
Oh, good.
Good. Masarap. Good. Diba?
Dinner.
Diba?
Masarap, diba?
Speak Tagalog.
You should.
I should. It's hollow inside, but it's filled with mung bean. Chewy, crispy, soft and moist inside.
Masarap to ah.
Masarap.
Sarap.
So from the market, it's only 20-minute-ish to go to our accommodation. So we'll see you there. So we have arrived. It's crazy sunny, and we have a new fruit for me to try. I forgot. Insigilles?
Ganito na
Siniguelas.
Siniguelas.
Bit sour, but it's fine. Actually, you dip it. Ali. Grabe, chef. Wow. Ilang bawang? Dalawa. Hindi, dalawang ano lang. 2.5.
Interesting. It's a bit sappy, no?
Yeah. No, it's good. You should have thrown
It's like an unripe
Meron kaming pinili.
apple, I would say. It has that unripe flavor. It's a bit sour as well. A bit sappy.
Kanila yata yan.
Hindi, okay lang. Dito yan para sa lahat yan.
Hindi,
The skin is pretty crunchy and the inside is a bit sweet.
May bibili din natin.
Hi. This one is sweeter, they said.
Wow.
Yes. Definitely sweeter. Yum. I like this one better. The flesh is a bit stringy.
Siniguelas?
We don't have it.
What's the closest?
I relate it to kedondong, but I don't know what it is in English. So everyone is busy. We're creating lunch. We're gonna make adobo and then just rice and coffee. We're just so hungry. We need to get our lunch right now. So I'm just going to pretend like I can help them and go there. See ya.
Going to be a celebrity.
So this one is onion,
Sibuyas.
sibuyas
Sibuyas.
in the pork. Uy. Oil splats. Damn.
Maliit pa lang yung toyo.
Oo, isa pang toyo. Saka ito.
Ito daw yung FB19 para matuwa si Tita sa'yo.
Ooh.
So na ako na lang.
While we are waiting for the food to be ready, why don't I take you around and then we'll see the place together, the pool area. Oh, it's pretty deep. It's like maybe, oh, there's a progression. Here is the deepest. A billiard table over there. Ha, ha. Back there is the kitchen. Wow. Hello. This is nice and it's cold.
Right? It has to separate the most with earth.
It's pretty white. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like it.
Dom, papel ballpen ka? Ay,
It's good. The room is good. Another room for us. Okay, let's check it again. Hey, 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 hey. So hard. Hui. Oh, not here. Where'd you go in? From here? Oh, yes. Oh, I see. Oh. Wow. This is also pretty good. I'm quite content. Yay! I think I'm gonna take a dip later here. It's just too hot right now in the Philippines. Uy. Almost ready. Ooh.
gulay. Olaya. Saan natin ilalagay? Walang balokong eh. Wow, diet.
Ulo, kinasal ka na pala. Pagalitan na yan.
Do you want some tissue? It's gonna be so good with rice.
Should be good.
Good. Yummy.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Amazing.
Surprise. Sana pasado sa...
Hindi ko na kaya eh.
Ano siya, meat.
Isang sagat. Hindi, sa'yo yata
Thank you po.
So, usog ka.
Kaso sobrang ito.
May mausog ka dito.
Hindi nga po tumitingin eh. Ito na lang, pabalik na lang.
Adobo? Stir-fry veggie
Chicken pork.
rice.
Chicken pork adobo.
Daw ba siya natakot? Anong kwento? Anong backstory? Anong backstory?
Parang hindi talaga sila kumakain ng gulay nung lumalaki.
Pero kasi grabe, napaka...
So it's usually fried.
So it's usually hotdog.
All the...
Pasado ba, Tizzy? Man sumakay.
Sa gulong.
Official ano na ba to, Aizel? 100% ka.
Sure na ba ako dito?
Ganito pala dito. Press.
No, naman.
I kept hearing OA. What is OA?
Ay, okay ako. Overreacting.
Mmm.
Ano? Oo, masarap. Lasa adobo yung hangin.
I know.
Yung carding.
It's good to eat adobo with white rice.
No.
No? But I heard kanin.
Yeah, hangin. Hangin.
Hangin.
Hangin air.
Air. I thought kanin.
Also that.
Alice said,
Sige. Ayaw mo yan.
the wind is delicious. Sino mag-rice pa? The wind is delicious.
Ako gusto ko yung gulay. It's like a common... Nag-offer ka.
That's the direct translation.
Direct translation.
That's the direct translation.
If indirect, it's like the air feels nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think we have more rice.
Nice catch.
Ina lang.
Mabilis ang reflexes. Oh my God.
Oh my god, good reflexes.
Pero